Bob Proctor is a motivational speaker, an inspirational speaker known for his views on the law of attraction and human potential. He argues that to get whatever one wants, individuals must follow several principles. Believe you can. First of all, you need to believe that you have the potential to achieve anything you want. These beliefs will influence your mindset and actions. Visualize your goal. Bob Proctor emphasizes the importance of clearly envisioning your goal in your mind. See and feel yourself having achieved that goal. This will help you attract positive energy and focus on the desired result. The law of attraction. Proctor views the law of attraction as a fundamental principle in achieving goals. According to him, positive energy will attract positive things in your life. Therefore, it is important to maintain positive thoughts and feelings. Positive thinking. According to Proctor, positive thinking will create greater self-confidence and help overcome obstacles. Replacing negative thoughts with positive ones will strengthen your view of yourself and your goals. Consistent action. Not only is it enough to dream, but you also need to take concrete action. Proctor emphasizes the importance of consistent action that aligns with your goals. Small steps taken each day will bring you closer to your goal. Overcoming fear. According to Proctor, most people are held back by fear and doubt. It is important to overcome these fears by replacing them with positive beliefs and courageous actions. Learning from failure. Proctor taught that failure is a natural part of the journey to success. It's important to learn from failure, see it as a lesson, and move on. Supportive environment. He also believes that your social environment has a huge impact on your success. Associating with supportive and positive-minded people can reinforce your positive outlook. In Bob Proctor's view, a combination of positive thinking, consistent action, and deep faith is the key to achieving anything you want in life.